Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the logic day trading indicator. All right, let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, the logic day trading indicator, drag and drop. Feel free to modify the input settings, all right, the values, the colors, and if you want alerts enabled or disabled, okay, all of that. Also ensure that you allow DLL imports boxes checked. Right, so this is how the indicator looks like. Okay, it's a pretty straightforward indicator. It identifies highs and lows. As you can see how it connected these two highs, you can see how it connected these lows. All right, even though it didn't exactly, drop from low to low to low, right? All right, so you can see in this case as well, the indicator just connected this point to this point, right? It didn't exactly connect the lows together. Okay, so maybe we can just neglect that. Let's focus on the signals, right? So the indicator paints downward red arrows for sell signals and upward blue arrows for buy signals. And you would also notice that it paints a red area, when a sell signal is given. You will notice the appearance of this red shaded area around the candlesticks zone. You can see here again, you can see here again, right? And then when you have a buy signal, which is the upward blue arrow appearing below your candlesticks, you will notice the appearance of this blue shaded area, right? You can see it here again, you can see it here again. So what you should always do is, once the appearance of the arrow, after the appearance of the arrow, you should look out for confirmations like your candlestick pattern confirmations, or maybe confirmations from other indicators. Once you have your confirmation, you can proceed to execute your trade. Make sure that you always prioritize risk management and ensure that you do not over leverage. Okay, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.